Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to find the unknown length of a side of a polygon when you know its perimeter. They are giving you the perimeter. Okay, let's read the story problem. Chen has 27 feet of fencing to put around his garden. He has already used the length of fencing shown.
How much fencing does he have left for the last side?
Okay, so let's unlock this problem and work it out. First, it says that you need to write an equation for the perimeter, which when we find perimeter, we are what? What operation? Adding. Okay. So they're starting the equation 5 for this 5 feet. Now look, we have a different unit today. We have feet. We did centimeters and inches last time, right? Now we have feet, okay? But they give you it, so it's okay. They show you that it's supposed to be feet, okay? So 5, they have this 5, so we put 5 here down, okay? Then they have 3, so they wrote 3. What would you write next, do you think? 7. Okay, and then what would you write?
4.
Okay, so now you have your known ones. You have all the sides you do know, okay? Right, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Okay, you have all the sides you do know. Add up all the sides you do know. Okay, so we have 5 plus 3, which is what?
8.
8. And 7 plus 4, which is what?
11.
What's 11 plus 8?
19.
19. Okay, this is 19. All right. 11 plus 8 is 19. Now, I want you to take, I'm going to tell you this, when you add up things, but then you have an unknown number. Okay, let me write this equation for you. 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus n equals 27. Okay, we have all of our numbers. Now, we added the ones we did know, and we said that was 19, right? Okay, right now this is 19 plus n. Okay? 19 plus n. But we need to figure out how to get the n by itself. So what you have to do is you have to take that 19 and you have to go across the equal sign. When you go across an equal sign, boys and girls, you have to do the opposite operation. What's opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
Okay, so you're taking 19 and you're subtracting it from 27. Okay? So what's 7 minus 9?
Can't do that.
You can't do that, so you go to the 2. What do?
Go to the 2, make it a 1, make it 17.
Okay. So now we have 17 minus 9. What's 17 minus 9? Everyone?
8.
That's 8. Okay, and then you do 1 minus 1, which is what?
0.
0. You have nothing. So now you just have n equals 8. N's still on the other side, right? It's still on the other side. We didn't use n. Okay? So you have down here that they're showing you that when you move it, you have 19, you move it across, you have to subtract it. Okay? And you said 27 minus 9 equals 8. So Chen has 8 feet of fencing left. So this n right here is supposed to be 8. Alright? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it again. This time it doesn't have all the stuff for us. Okay? So we're finding the perimeter. Actually, we're not finding the perimeter. They already told us the perimeter is 24. Okay? That's the total of all the sides. But we have a side that we don't know yet. So let's add up all the sides we do know. we have, well, you want to start right here at 6?
Yes.
Okay, 6 plus 2 plus
7
plus
5
plus.
1.
Okay. And then they also have W here because there is a sign we don't know, right?
Yes.
And remember when we don't know something, usually they put letters in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's add up all these sides that we do know. Oh, but what is it all supposed to equal first?
24.
Okay, so let's write 24. It's all supposed to equal 24. Okay. So we have, let's do 6 plus 3, because we'll do just this 2 and this 1 together. 6 plus 3 is 9, and 7 plus 5. 12. So 9 plus 12.
One.
You agree? 21? Okay, so 21. Now, we got to take that 21 and put it on the other side of the equal sign. And when we go to the other side of the equal sign, we have to do the opposite operation, which is subtraction. Okay. So 21 plus W equals 24. But then we're doing 24 minus 21. W equals 24 minus 21. Okay. What is 24 minus 21 equal? 24 minus 21. What's 1 minus 4?
3.
Sorry, not 1 minus 4, but what's 4 minus 1?
3.
Okay. And 2 minus 2 is
0.
Okay. So we just have 3. Right? So the W equals what?
3.
3. So the W is 3 meters long. Okay. Go to the next page. All right. Let's read this problem. Lauren has a rectangular blanket. The perimeter is 28 feet. The width of the blanket is 5 feet. What is the length of the blanket? Now you have 2 unknown sides. But what do you know about a rectangle, guys? The 2 sides should be the same, right? So both of this number, if you find this number, they should both be the same, right?
Yes.
Okay, but it also has equal 28. Okay? It says you can predict the length and add to find its perimeter. If the perimeter is 28 feet, then you have the correct length. So they're saying, let's predict that this is 7. Well, if this is 7, then this also has to be 7. Okay, so we're going to do 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7. So what's 7 plus 5?
12.
So that's 2 12s. What's 2 12s equal?
24.
24. Okay. Perimeter is not 28 feet, is it? So can these 2 side lengths be 7? Nope. So we're going to erase the 7. I'm going to erase it. Okay. Let's try 8 now. 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8. What is 5 plus 8, guys?
13.
What is it?
13.
13. So we do 13 plus 13. 2 13s.
26.
26. Is that 28?
No.
No, perimeter is not 28, so the length cannot work. Let's try 9. This is like guess and check. Okay? You guess a number and you check if you're right. 5 plus 9 is what?
14.
14. So you have 2 14s. 14 and 14 is what?
28.
Do we have our perimeter then?
Yes.
So these 2 side lengths have to be
28.
No. Not 28. The whole thing is 28. They have to be 9. Remember, we were guessing.
I figured it out because I added 5 plus 5 and 10. And, so the answer is 28, so you just do 18 plus 10,
Yeah.
and then 9 plus 9 equals.
There you go. All right, let's find the unknown length of a square. Guys, this has no lengths that you know, does it?
Oh my god, this
No.
is easy.
The square has a perimeter of 20. Okay, this is where your multiplication and division come in.
Oh, I know this. Oh.
You have the big number of 20. You know there are 4 sides. What's 4 divided by 20? 5. Okay, you can multiply to find the perimeter. 4 times what equals 20?
5.
Alright, so the side lengths are 5.
5 inches.
Yes,
That
now we're at
was
show and show. Okay, starting on the back page. Read the story problem. Letitia
wants to make a border with ribbon around a shape. She made a dash at the right.
Okay, hold on. She wants to make a border with a ribbon around a shape she made and sketched at the right. She made and sketched this. Does that make sense? Okay. She will
Use 24 centimeters of ribbon for a border. What is on the side with leaf?
Okay. You guys should already do what you should know. So, how will you use perimeter to help you solve the problem? What will we do? What's the steps to solve this, guys? What's the first step? Add what?
Add all the numbers together.
I will add the what? What kind of numbers?
All the sides.
If they're not unknown, then they are known. All the known sides. I will add all the known sides. Then what will you do if you add all the known sides? Then I will subtract what?
I will subtract all the numbers that I got.
Your answer.
What I got for adding.
No, your answer by what? By the what? By the perimeter. You will subtract it by the perimeter that you know. Okay, so let's do what we said we're going to do. You're going to add up all the sides, so let's do that. We have 13 and 3 and 8 and 6 and 5. Alright, so let's do 13 and 3 is how much? 16. 8 and 6 is how much? 14. Okay, and then we'll do 5. Alright? What's 4 and 5?
9.
9 plus 6.
15.
15. Add 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1.
30.
Okay. So adding up all the sides that we do know is 35. Anybody else get a different answer than me? We have 35. What do we say we're going to do? We're going to subtract the answer by the perimeter. The perimeter is what?
44.
44. And then minus our answer by 35. What's 4 minus 5?
Can't do that.
Okay, go to the 4, make it 8. And 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 5 is?
9.
3 minus 3, so we got 9. Okay.